What is hormone? Hormone is a chemical messenger that helps regulate various functions in the body. Hormones control processes like metabolism, growth, reproduction, mood, and stress response. The main function of hormone. Firstly, in endocrine system. Endocrine system is a network of glands that release hormones directly into the bloodstream. There are few glands in endocrine system. The first is pituitary glands, or the master glands, is a gland that controls other glands and regulates growth, metabolism, and reproduction. The second one is thyroid glands. Thyroid glands is a gland that produces thyroid hormones that control metabolism and energy levels. The third one is adrenal glands, is a gland that releases adrenaline and cortisol, helping with stress response. And the last one is pancreas. Pancreas is an organ that produces insulin and glucagon to regulate blood sugar levels. After that, digestive system. Here are few hormones here ensure proper digestion and nutrient absorption. The first one is gastrin, is a hormone that stimulates stomach acid production for digestion. The second one is ghrelin hormone, the hunger hormone that signals when you need food. The third one is secretin, a hormone that helps regulate pH balance in the intestine. And the last one is cholecytokinin, CCK, is a hormone that stimulates bile release for fat digestion. The next one is nervous system. Hormones work alongside neurotransmitters to regulate brain function and responses. The first one is adrenaline. It prepares the body for fight or flight situation. The second one is cortisol, an hormone that manages stress and energy levels. The third one is melatonin, is an hormone that regulates sleep cycles. And the last one is oxytocin, is an hormone that influences bonding and social interactions. The next point is the effects of hormonal imbalance. What is hormonal imbalance? Hormonal imbalance occurs when the body produces too much or too little of a specific hormones, disrupting normal bodily functions. The cause of hormonal imbalance are endocrine disorders, chronic stress, poor diet and lifestyle, medical conditions, and aging and life stages. Here are few effects of hormonal imbalance that lead to chronic illness. The first one is Cushing syndromes. It occurs when excess cortisol production leading to weight gain, high blood pressure, and muscle weakness. The second one is low testosterone. This occurs in men, lead to fatigue, reduced muscle mass, and decreased libido. The third one is growth hormone deficiency. This can lead to stunted growth in children and muscle loss in adults. And the last one is sleep disorder. This occurs when low melatonin levels can disrupt sleep cycles.
What is enzyme? Enzyme is a biological catalyst that speeds up chemical reactions in the body without being consumed in the process. Enzyme plays a crucial role in various physiological functions like digestion, metabolism, and cellular process. Main function of enzyme. Firstly, endocrine system. In endocrine system, enzymes help to regulate hormone production and breakdown. For example, tyrosine hydroxylase. It will convert tyrosine into dopamine, a precursor for adrenaline and noradrenaline. Secondly, aromatase. It will convert testosterone into estrogen, balancing reproductive hormones. And finally, peptidase. It will break down peptide hormones like insulin after they have completed their function. Secondly, enzymes are essential in digestive system for breaking down food. For example, amylase, which converts starch into simple sugar, protease breaks down protein into amino acids, lipase, which helps digest fats into glycerol and fatty acids, and finally lactase, which break down lactose, which is a milk sugar, for digestion. In the nervous system, enzymes regulate neurotransmitter activity. For example, acetylcholinesterase, which breaks down acetylcholine, ensuring a proper nerve signal transmission. Monoamine oxidase, which degrades neurotransmitter like dopamine and serotonin. And finally, glutamate decarboxylase, which converts glutamate into GABA, which is gamma aminobutyric acid, a calming neurotransmitter. Now, let's see the effects of enzyme imbalance. Let's see what is enzyme imbalance. Enzyme imbalance occurs when the body produces too much or too little of a specific enzyme, disrupting essential biochemical reaction. There are few causes of enzyme imbalance. For example, genetic disorders, poor diet or lifestyle, chronic diseases, aging and hormonal changes, and finally, environmental factors. Effects which are caused by enzyme imbalance. Lactose deficiency causes lactose intolerance, leading to bloating and diarrhea. Aromatase deficiency, which disrupts estrogen balance, affecting reproductive health. Glutamate decarboxylase deficiency, which reduces GABA levels, increasing stress and excitability. And glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase deficiency, G6PD, which leads to red blood cells and anemia.